Okay, I'm gonna carry the champagne.
Ady's taking his first.
The first, with the most important. Oh,
Was that you bring
Where's the champagne?
the alcohol, the Chardonnay, the champagne,
and all that stuff.
all that good stuff. It's in the bottom of that bin.
Okay.
Ady's first trip to the boat
First trip. Let's go see what this boat looks like.
is. Ady, this is really important. I'm
More
holding
important,
this.
my champagne.
This is called sea legs. Yeah, this is more important than the champagne.
You focusing on this?
Am I focusing on what? The sea legs? Take it. See if it helps. Take one more. Sea legs. Stop seasickness. See how this works. Yeah?
Already better.
Tasty?
Already better.
You feel good?
You want to?
I want to. Hey man, just give me an extra one, right?
Here. Here you go.
Perfect. All right, we'll see how that works. Now take the champagne. Introducing Ady Gil, walking to the Earth race.
Look, earthquake over there.
What'd you say?
You are ready for one good adventure, I reckon.
Yes. Here we go.
Whoa! This is a nice looking boat. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, oh.
All clean now for you.
Yeah, huh? Okay.
All clean.
Okay, huh? Alright. Wow. That's excellent.
Thank you.
Nice looking, huh?
Beautiful. We are here in front of the recently acquired fantastic ship, previously known as the Earth Race. Sea Shepherds Conservation Society. We see the Jolly Rancher. We pull back. We see the Batmobile of a machine called the Ady Gil. And there he is in the flesh, Mr. Ady Gil. We shall talk to him. This little cruiser checks out, goes off of the boat. Whoa. I don't really have my sea legs.
You want to go in?
Take us inside, Ady.
Go inside. Oh, look, it's all nice and clean now, almost.
Look at how cool this is. How... Take a look inside. We are now inside of the Earth Race.